day. I have my targets, what I do. If it's not Joe, it's them two.
Amazing. What can I say? Okay. Voting lines have closed. It's time to find out who you have chosen to be the fifth person to be evicted. I am now going to talk to the House.
Well, I'm sorry about this, but it looks like we're having a couple problems with tonight's eviction show. Hopefully we'll get back to it soon. Did anyone just hear what the fuck that was? Once again, we're sorry for the abrupt interruption with tonight's eviction show. It seems like the output quit rather dramatically there. While we try to get that sorted, enjoy some of this week's best highlights. We hope to return to tonight's eviction show as soon as possible.
Some of the housemates are asleep in the bedroom. For this week's shopping task, Big Brother has requested a birthday party. Some of the housemates will be providing the party entertainment. Brian is a one-man band and will provide the musical entertainment.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to brother, happy birthday.
Sam, Amanda, Nicky, Ziggy and Jerry will be partygoers to Big Brother's birthday. As part of the task, Big Brother has asked the partygoers for a birthday cake and present.
Ouch! Take one and use it to light the others quickly.
Girl.
And don't burn yourself.
Don't drop it.
Sisters.
Who left that there?
I don't know.
Not me.
No, no.
Why do people do things like that?
What is it?
It's just a sandwich. Someone's taken it off the train, just dumped it in the middle of the table.
Horrible. I never waste food.
Did you say you never waste food, Jerry?
Never.
You left that chocolate log.
Oh, that was that was for Ziggy to suck.
So you just left
Why
it?
would you, man? Why would you say that?
It was Ziggy. It was Ziggy. It wasn't me.
You're watching Channel 4, where we now go to Jon Snow for a Channel 4 news special. This is Channel 4. Due to tonight's shocking events, we have made a few changes to the advertised schedule. Some of the programs you have been expecting tonight, such as the Friday Night Project, have been moved to More 4. We hope to receive an update from Endemol as soon as possible. But now on Channel 4 and later than planned, it's 8 out of 10 cats.